Good morning, class 6D. We are
Morning,
doing
ma'am.
active and passive. Yes, good morning. Put your mics on mute. We are doing active and passive. And on the last turn, we had discussed certain rules. Zaid has joined just now. Let me tell you that I'm already recording a call, so kindly don't start one. Okay? So
Okay,
people
ma'am.
quickly turn to the table that I had told you to revise. I hope you have gone through it. The rules which I have dictated on that day, please keep that also in front of you so that you know how we exactly frame up a sentence. Now turn to the third point of notes that I have given you, how we actually convert a sentence from active to passive. Remember, I have given you 3 points and there I have told you how to actually convert active voice into passive voice. So we see, first we read the sentence, we will try to find out if it is active or passive. So the most important thing in this chapter is to read the sentence and to identify if it is an active sentence or a passive sentence. Simple. If the subject is the doer of the action, it is active sentence. If the subject is not the doer of the action, okay, it is an passive sentence. अगर subject doer of the action है और sentence के beginning में भी है, then it is an active sentence. It will be having subject, action and object. Then it is a active sentence. I hope I am loud and clear. Now secondly, how to identify if a sentence is a passive sentence? Now, subject will be in the end. Object will be the beginning of the sentence, right? Object will be the beginning of a passive sentence. There are some people who are not ready with the books. Make sure if you will not have a book in front of you, you will not be able to connect. So like I was saying, in passive sentence, the object is the beginning. Also, verb will be in the third form. वर्ब पैसिव वॉइस में थर्ड फॉर्म में होगा ऑलवेज एंड देयर विल बी अ वर्ड बी वाई बाय विल बी रिटन एंड आफ्टर बी वाई बाय सब्जेक्ट विल बी रिटन. So if you remember these few points, it becomes very easy for you to identify if the sentence is an active sentence or if it is a passive sentence. Now with me, please turn to page number 126. Page number 126. We will do exercise A in the book only, but please make sure that you have that page with you where you have written the rules. All those who have not done the language copy work for this chapter as yet, please write the notes, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to understand. Write A next to active and P next to passive. Underline this in the question. A, underline A and underline P from the question. So we will write A for active if the sentence is active sentence, and we will write P for passive if the sentence is a passive sentence. So we will do this exercise and we will try to find out if we are able to identify. क्या हम पहचान पा रहे हैं if the sentence is an active sentence or if it is a passive sentence? Let's do it. 12th Night, it's the name of a book, was written by William Shakespeare. Now you see, who is the doer of the action? Who is the writer of the book? William Shakespeare. Do you see him in the beginning? No. Right? And you see by is also written. So the easiest way to identify if the sentence is passive, अगर हमें sentence में कहीं भी by, not no I'm sorry not anywhere but just before the subject के just पहले अगर by लिखा हुआ है, it means the sentence is a passive sentence. So 12th Night was written by William Shakespeare. This is a passive sentence. Right? So write down P for passive in the first box. I say you please number the boxes also so that it becomes easier for you to identify the answer. Outside the first box, please write number 1 and inside the box, please write P for passive. Got it? How this is a passive sentence? Because by is written and after by, subject is written at the end. Object is written in the beginning and subject is written in the end. Next, Sanjeev cooked lunch for us. Who is the subject? Sanjeev is the subject. And Sanjeev is the beginning of the sentence also, right? Subject is the beginning of the sentence also. That means this is a active sentence, right? And by is not written. So this is an active sentence. Next, the party office was attacked by some hooligans. The party office, which is an object for the sentence, and after by the doer is mentioned. So which sentence is this, active or passive?
Passive.
Okay, very good. This is a passive sentence. Write down P for passive. And may I repeat, please mute your mic. Question number 4. The carpenter picked up his tool and left. Yes, come on. Active or passive?
Ma'am, active.
Active.
Very good. This is an active sentence. So we will do this step by step. The first step of this chapter is to identify, be able to identify if the sentence is an active sentence or a passive sentence. Then only you will be able to apply the rules. Okay. Next. Students must respect their teachers. Students must respect their teachers. This is a
Active.
active sentence, my dear. You see by is not there. This is an active sentence. Question number 6. Many great leaders helped us to win independence. This is also an active sentence because by is not there. Active sentence. Question number 7. Sonali sings beautiful songs. This is also active sentence.
Active voice.
By is not written, right? So it becomes easier for you to identify the sentence now. Question number 8. Yes, tell me this one. The mandolin was played
Passive.
by Srinivasan. Very good.
Passive.
By is written. This is passive sentence. Please write down by. Question number 9. Parents should be respected by their children.
Passive sentence. Passive sentence.
Very good. This is the passive sentence. Now, children, you can pick up any grammar book that you have at home. If it has active and passive voice chapter, you can go through the rules, you can practice the sentences and ask me if you have a doubt. It can be classic 7, 8, 9, 10, any standard book. Active passive remains active passive. Okay? Now, the match was won by the team that came from Bhopal. This is a
Passive sentence.
passive sentence.
Ma'am, passive
Okay.
sentence.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the whole exercise?
Okay. Children, this is for everybody. I'm repeating the whole exercise. I will not explain you how we did it because that I have done. But otherwise, I'm repeating the answers for you. First, passive. Second, active. Third, passive. Fourth, active. Fifth, active. Sixth, active. 7, active. 8, passive. 9, passive. And 10th, passive. Fine. Exercise B. Now we will try to do this. Change the sentences from active to passive voice. If the verb is intransitive, write down it cannot be changed. Now sometimes what will happen, there will be a sentence which will remain in active only. It will not be able to be changed into passive. So in that case, we will write it cannot be changed. Let's see when we will come across such an example. Meanwhile, if you have your English language copies with you, do this with me. I give you 1 minute time. Leave 3 lines for question number B. Just write down the first sentence with the black pen. Just write down the first sentence with the black pen. Satish has borrowed my pen. Satish has borrowed my pen. We all know this is an active sentence. Now read out the rules from point number 3. Tell me what is the next step. Arav, what is the next step? Are you able to do it or shall we move ahead? Fine. So the next step is to find out what is the tense. Now children, tell me, it is written Satish has, H-A-S, has borrowed my pen. H-A-S has is used in present perfect. So in the bracket, write down present perfect. Copy the question. Satish has borrowed my pen. And in the question only, write down present perfect. Satish has borrowed my pen. In the bracket, present perfect. Write this much with the black pen. Okay? Now, come to the next line. Use a blue pen. This is the answer. Check out table 124. Check out the table on page number 124. Now see, present perfect. Robin, it is written, Robin has written a poem. How has it been changed? Check out the present perfect box in the table. Check out the present perfect box in the table. Robin has written a poem. How have you changed it? A poem has been written. Underline the section, has been written. Has been written. Now when we have to change present perfect into passive, has plus been is added. So B-E-E-N, been is to be added. Underline the section, has been written. In the table only, please underline, has been written. Okay? Now see how we change it. Next line, write the answer. Satish has borrowed my pen. Write the answer. My pen has been borrowed. My pen has B-E-E-N, been. It is B-E-E-N, been borrowed. Now borrowed was already in the third form, so it will remain B-O-R-R-O-W-E-D. There will be no changes in the verb word. My pen has been borrowed. Now after the verb, what will you write? You will write the word by, by. Please write down by, by. After borrowed, write down by. So my pen has been borrowed by, and after by, what will you write? You will write subject. What is the subject? Satish is the subject. So after by, please write down Satish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Below, yes.
Ma'am, page number, please.
Who is this? Who doesn't know the page number? Please repeat your question. There is always a problem with page number with you, Ali Sareem. You always miss out the page number. Fine, anyways. And please don't write the next one till I ask you. Write down the rule in the bracket. Write down object plus. Arav Khatri, you have written the sentence, I see. Huh? Write down object plus helping verb. For helping verb, you can write down H dot V dot. Object plus helping verb plus BEEN. Bean. Object plus helping verb plus BEEN. Bean. Plus V3, small v and 3 number. V3. V3 means verb in the third form. V3 plus by, by. By plus subject. Plus subject. Make an arrow after subject. You have written subject. Make an arrow and write down passive. Passive. When you will follow this rule, the sentence will change into passive voice. So we will write the rules for the first few sentences also, so that you are able to understand how it has been changed. Copy the next question now. Who arrested the thief? This is a interrogative sentence. The rules will change. Who arrested the thief? Who arrested the thief? In the margin, write down capital A in the bracket. A for active. This is an active sentence. In the margin column, write down A for active. Can anyone tell me which tense is this? Unless you identify, you will not be able to convert. Which tense is this, children? Who arrested? Remember, it is ED. Who arrested the thief? Which tense?
Ma'am, past tense.
Past.
Simple past. Write down in the bracket simple past. Please write down in the bracket simple past. And I repeat, do revise the chapter tenses and verbs. In the bracket, write down simple past. Okay, for answer. In the margin, write down capital P for passive in the bracket. Capital P for passive in the bracket. Please write. Who arrested the thief? In the answer, write down by whom? By BY. By whom was the thief arrested? By whom was the thief? THIEF. Thief arrested. ARRESTED. Question mark. Below, write down the rule. Please write down the rule. By, BY by, plus question word. Write down question word. By whom? Who will change into whom? Question word. QUESTION. Question word. WORD. By plus question word plus HV. HV means helping verb. H dot V dot. Helping verb. Plus object. Object. Plus V3 means verb in the third form. Arrested. Okay. V3. Make an arrow. This is now passive. Okay. Question number 3. We can do one more. The plumber mended the tap. Quickly copy the third question. The plumber mended the tap. The plumber mended the tap. Who will tell me what is the tense? The plumber.
Ma'am, simple past.
Ma'am,
Very
simple
good.
past.
Quickly write down simple past in the bracket. Very nice. Simple past.
Ma'am,
And
simple.
this is to be written with the black pen in the question only. Simple past. And outside in the margin column, in the bracket, write down A for active. This is an active sentence. Now write the answer. Passive. In the margin, now write down with the blue pen P, capital P, passive. Write the answer. The plumber mended the tap. Can anyone try? Araf, Zaid, Heather, can anyone try?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, of course.
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
Ma'am,
Not like
the
this.
tap was mended by the plumber.
Very good. The tap was mended by the plumber. Very nice. Good. Mics off, hands down. The tap was mended. Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
The tap was mended by the plumber. Full stop. So I guess you have understood the rules. There is no need to rewrite. Copy the fourth one. Check. Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can listen to you.
Okay. Children, the device is hanging and that is why I am not able to stop the recording. We need to wait till it goes off, otherwise the session will be
Ma'am,
lost.
can I stop? Ma'am, I can also
If-
stop.
Acha, do that. You will begin a fresh one, so it will be stopped. And please confirm if you can see the video or not.
Okay.